The gate is believed to have come from a mission in San Antonio. The folks were very isolated in a relatively hostile frontier. They were beyond the frontier, so they had to be protected behind gates.
We've had one gate at the Bullock Museum before. The other portion of the gate was significantly deteriorating.
When I first saw the gate, it was just like this massive kind of deteriorated jigsaw puzzle. The timbers themselves are like paper thin on the top. You can easily punch a finger through sometimes. So we're strengthening those fibers. It's amazing because we have spent so far 400 hours and we're only about halfway done.
We knew that we were going to need to do something to be able to reunite those two gates back together, and that was significant conservation work, because we think it's really important to preserve the physical remnants of our history in Texas.
The Bullock Museum is very excited to be able to bring both halves of the gate together. The public will be able to see the gate in its full glory as it is today and think back to what it would have been like in a mission when it protected the missionaries and the inhabitants.